A baby's constipation can be very stressful for parents. Babies can get constipation, and this can make them fussy and uncomfortable. Constipation is common, but there are gentle ways to help relieve it quickly. Here are simple and easy tips to relieve your baby's constipation fast. Gently move your baby's legs, which can help relieve constipation. You can also give them tummy time to help their digestion. Give your baby a warm bath, can help relax their tummy muscles. This can make it easy for poop and feel better. It helps ease any discomfort from constipation. Make sure your baby drinks enough fluids to help with constipation. For babies over 6 months, give a little water. Stay hydrated can help them poop more easily. Giving your baby a small amount of fruit juice can help with constipation. Good choices are apple or pear juice. Just a little can help them poop more easily. Gently massage your baby's tummy to help with constipation. Use your fingertips to make small circles in a clockwise direction. This can relax their muscles and encourage a bowel movement. Try to change your baby's cereal to a whole grain option. Whole grains have more fiber, which can help with constipation. This small change can make a big difference. Add more fruits and veggies to your baby's meals. These foods have fiber, which helps with constipation. You can use gripe water to help relieve discomfort and get things moving again. Welleman's Organic Baby Gripe Water helps relieve your baby's constipation gently. It uses natural ingredients, make it safe for little ones. It is easy to give to your little one, so your baby can feel better fast. It relieves your baby's constipation. It is safe for babies and can promote digestive health. By following these tips, you can relieve your baby's constipation fast.